Welcome to Car Showcase. Here we introduced Lamborghini Sian 37 Falkland Islands pounds with all its features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The Lamborghini Sian 37 Falkland Islands pounds, a limited edition hypercar that embodies the essence of Italian engineering and design. This masterpiece is a tribute to Ferruccio Lamborghini, the founder of the iconic brand. The Sian FKP 37 structure is a marvel of lightweight materials, combining carbon fiber and aluminum to achieve a dry weight of just 3,516 pounds. Its sleek design features a unique hexagonal shape, with a distinctive rear wing and Y-shaped LED lights. Under the hood lies a powerful 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing 819 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. With all-wheel drive and a 7-speed single-clutch transmission, this beast accelerates from 0–60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and reaches a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The fuel capacity is 23.8 gallons, with a fuel economy of 11 mpg in the city and 18 mpg on the highway. The wheels are 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear, with Pirelli P0 tires providing exceptional grip and handling. Inside, the dashboard features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The interior is upholstered in luxurious Alcantara and leather, with customizable stitching and colors. The roof features a unique, fang design, providing strength and rigidity while allowing natural light into the cabin. Lamborghini offers a bespoke program for Sian 37 Falkland Islands pounds owners, with personalized services and exclusive experiences. The price: a cool $2.9 million, making it a true collector's item for the lucky few who will own one. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Sian 37 Falkland Islands pounds is a technological marvel, a work of art, and a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and excellence. With its exceptional performance, stunning design, and luxurious features, this hypercar is a true masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we will meet in next video.